Okay, so today I am going to make rigatoni, and this is going to be a store-bought meal, and I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks. So if you're looking for a quick, easy dinner one night or on the weekend, you just don't have a lot of time, you just want something quick and easy, I'm going to show you how to make this pasta and give you some simple tricks and tips to make it a little bit more healthy and less sodium, a little bit less oil. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is I leave about a one inch of room left when I fill up the pot or pan with water. And this is a fairly small pan because I'm just cooking for myself. If you're cooking for more people, I'm sure you're going to use a bigger pot or pan for this. So, with that being said, I'm going to now boil the water and then we shall return. So while we're waiting for the pasta water to boil, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the pasta sauce that I use when I do buy it from the grocery store. So I buy this one. It is a little bit high in sodium, which I know a lot of pasta sauces are. So if you are on a low sodium diet, what you could do is just get a can of tomato sauce, unsalted, just the tomatoes in the grocery store, and just sort of mix it a little bit together. And you can also add some vegetables to this if you were so inclined as well. And where's that list of ingredients? Okay, so here we go. So here's the list of ingredients. And usually we want 10 ingredients or less when we're buying some sort of food product from the grocery store, right? That's not a tomato, that hasn't grown from a tree or come from the ground, right? So we have Italian whole peeled tomatoes, that's 1, olive oil 2, onions 3, salt 4, garlic 5, basil 6, black pepper 7, and oregano 8. Okay, so that's why I choose Rao's, because they're very simple. They have simple ingredients. I'm going to be mixing the marinara with arrabbiata, and this one also has a high sodium. It's the same, 18%. So again, if you do have high sodium, you might want to mix this with something else. The fat's a little bit more in this one. Huh, okay, maybe, or no, it's not. It's exactly the same. Everything's exactly the same. Yeah. Okay, so everything is exactly the same. So same total fat, sodium, carbs, fiber, and potassium. Okay. So, yeah, so this one is spicy. As you can see, it says spicy marinara at the bottom. So I like to sometimes spice it up a little bit, so I mix the two together. So I think I hear the water boiling, so let's start the pasta. Okay, so you want the water to be boiling like this, and I'm gonna add pasta. And again, if you are in a super hurry, you don't even need to, if it's a new jar of pasta sauce, you can just pour it, like what I want to do here. This is the marinara. Okay, I'm gonna put that at the bottom. I'll show you what I'm gonna do here. And let me see. This is the arrabbiata. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there too. And I like to put it at the bottom of the bowl. So this is the arrabbiata. Okay, and now our pasta should be done in about a minute, and we're going to add that in. Okay, now our pasta is now done. This is in the pot that I cooked it in, and I said I was going to show you a few tricks to this. Well, one, I didn't put any salt in when I was boiling the pasta. So those of you who have high sodium, you don't have to put salt in, and those of you who have are on a low-fat diet, you don't have to put oil in the water either. You can put nothing in the water, and just make sure that you stir it every once in a while. Now this is now in the pot. You're wondering, well, how is she going to make it so that it doesn't stick, right? So I will show you exactly what I'm going to do. So I put a little bit of marinara sauce in there. You don't have to put that much. You can put even a lot less than that. But and then you just work it through the pasta like this. Okay. There you go, and that way it won't stick to, the pasta won't stick to one another. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to take the pasta from our pot and we're going to put it into the bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to and you want to do this as quickly as possible to make sure that you're retaining heat, because remember, you're not heating up the sauce, right? So, okay, and then you can put some Parmesan cheese on here or anything you like. And so this is our quick pasta from the grocery store.